I just need all of you to take it so seriously. These different things you could be doing right now to blow up your business, to blow up your incomes, to make more, to be more active on this thought of we have to make money, we have to be prepared, we have to get ready for whatever's coming down the line. And maybe I'm just Mr. Doomsday. And hopefully that's great, because then if you get prepared and everything's sweet and awesome and everybody thinks the world can continue on with everything that's going on and nothing will happen, then dude, that's great. We're all more prepared. We're all more ready. We're all ready to kick more ass because we've got funds saved up. We've got a war chest built up and we are financially ready to rock and roll. I also want to challenge you guys to be talking to your teams about this. I don't know what your opinions are. Like I said, and that's all irrelevant. And it's irrelevant what their opinions are too. Teaching and preaching that people should be prepared. I think we can all agree that the world's freaking crazy right now. And helping your team know that the world's crazy, you should be trying to get somewhat prepared, whatever that means to you, whatever that means in your world of preparedness. We need to be helping our people do this as well. And these topics, talking about how we can create more money, like having this conversation of how do we create more flows of income in our business with our team so we can blow up and we can expand more quickly without without spending a lot of money to do it. That's why I said the easy bolt-on things where we don't have to go crazy with investing to make it happen. When you ask your team, when you bring this to a meeting with your team, now this is incentivizing all of them to do that so we can grow more, we can pay more, and we can help everybody get ready for whatever there is to come in the future. And even if there wasn't anything to come, it's just helping everybody have more opportunity. So with that being said, I want to open this up to Q&A, take your opinions and questions and thoughts on anything. It's like I said, it's ridiculous with these airplanes. I don't know what's going on. Is that loud shit for you guys, or is it just me? I'm opening it up. Let's rock and roll. What questions do you have? I also got some like key takeaways that I want to go over, or I might just do a live in GrowCom on it too, but let's roll.